Okay, everybody, so welcome back. This is Ian once again. It's April 18th. This is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and this recording is part of our new publishing platform called A Tiny Revolution for authors, artists, teachers, trainers, coaches, makers, marketers, really anybody who wants to make an oversized impact through tiny products in 2022 and beyond. All right, so one of the things I wanted to do today, really quickly, is I'm going to show you a really, really great way of creating tiny products with super speed. So let's actually just open up this board here. All right, so we have a new board, and I'm going to show you a model that I happen to really love, and we're going to call this. All right, I'm going to correct the spelling here. And essentially, what we want to do here is we want to start a affiliate. We're going to create a PDF with affiliate recommendations where you're going to use your own affiliate links and you're going to give free advice predicated on your experience with a tool, a piece of tech, a software, a service, a product, a platform, etc. You're going to be honest, ethical, and you're going to give this product away for free on something like Gumroad or even Podia, which we use. Visit partners.mindfulmarketplace.com to see many of the courses that I've created and the content that I've created use this model. So the tools that we're using for this task, one is MilaNote. MilaNote is free. I actually pay for it because I'm on a higher plan, but you can get this tool for free and certainly execute on this exact model that I'm going to show you right here in under 10 minutes at no cost, and you can do this today. So let's go back really quickly. And again, I'm doing this extemporaneously on the fly, so I don't even really have in mind necessarily what I'm going to be saying here. But let's say, because this is true, people will ask me for my recommendations on a piece of software to create an online course or to build an online community. So let's say I'm going to drag this here, and I'm going to say Podia is great. Now you'll see I'm entering an affiliate link, goodkarma.link, Podia. That's my link to Podia. Of course, it's now telling me it's not a valid URL. Let's check that again. Actually, you know what? I'm not even sure that's the right link. So oh shit. Hold on 1 second. Of course, now everything's getting wonky. That's just what happens. I hit the wrong button. Let's do circle instead for starters. All right, so here's the circle.so platform. That's my link. As you can see, it brings up the circle description. Now I could create a note here. All right, and I could then, let's say, add a YouTube video of me recording, a circle tutorial or something. I could drag a file like this from my desktop, which is actually a video demo of some of the ways that we use Circle, Heartbeat, Podia, and other tools like that. Let's say I wanted to include a link to, I don't know, Shopify. So again, I'm entering my affiliate link. Let's add a note here. And we're going to, Shopify is ideal for e-commerce-based entrepreneurs. Here are a few themes that I really like. And again, I would put a link below here to some themes that, aesthetically improve Shopify to my eye that I'm recommending to my audience. And again, the link here would be to Shopify using my link. All right, let's see, we can change the color of that so it's a little bit more. All right, we can scroll down. I could add a link to Discord that was not an affiliate link. All right, so now you're actually starting to add some recommendations. And again, we're doing this all using a combination of MilaNote and just dragging files onto our desktop that are, in this case, links. All right, let's do, that's a link to Card, the landing page software. Right, so we can do the same thing here where we're basically saying that Card is really, let's add a comment here. Okay, so here it says Card is a great no-code landing page builder ideal for using for a community splash page. Excuse me, let me read that a second time. Card is a great no-code landing page builder ideal for using on a community splash page. All right, all that's true. Somebody clicks on that. Again, it's my affiliate link. Now I can give all. So if someone signs up for Card, predicated on this, board that they're going to have access to, or actually what I'm going to do is export this as a PDF so that you can actually give a digital download product to somebody with free recommendations. Now, again, I have this audio here, right? Or actually a video that people can watch right within the board.
Okay, everybody, so.
All right, so you get the point there. It's a complete video. Oh, something went wrong while playing the file. Okay, doesn't matter. I mean, that'll refresh and all will be fine. But essentially, all of this is just a simple way of adding lots and lots of content to a single, either digital download or a web URL that you can give privately to your members. So watch, if I hit export here, I can export this as either a high quality PDF, as one of these sorts of documents, which I never use, as a image document, which you can use for something like Pinterest to promote something, or you can share this here, right? So I can invite people to comment on this board. I can set a welcome message if I want, which I don't want to do here. I can require a password. I can embed this somewhere. Essentially, the only thing that I need to do is publish the board, and then all of these features are turned on. You can preview the link here so you can see what people would see. All right, as you can see, the video is back reloaded. Here is what they would see. Now, this is not completely organized yet, so I'd add some structure to this so it wasn't so kind of haphazardly displayed on the screen. But as you'll see in a second, the PDFs actually turn out pretty nicely, even with things haphazardly set up on the screen. The other thing I generally do is I use a template. And there's some really beautiful templates that are available in MilaNote that allow you to really aesthetically present your content, such as this, in a really highly stylized and well-structured way. But we're not going to do all that here because I'm recording this for free on YouTube for those of you who